Assalamualaikum. This video I will teach you how to create this amazing Apple style animation in After. First create a new composition. Composition name is Apple style animation. Resolution is 1080 by 1080. The color is white and just click on OK. Create a rounded rectangle tool like this. Center, align it into the center. Select this. Increase the roundness. Enable action save and center it properly. Add images. Create a folder to asset. Add this to in this folder. Drag into composition. Okay. Create a shape like this. Pick with this. Parent this shape with this location. So, adjust it over here. Select text tool. Type not like us. Okay, scale down it. Adjust it over here. Adjust it. Duplicate it. Rename it to Kendrick Lamar. Okay. Scale down it like this. Adjust the position. Press T. Decrease the opacity. Okay, like this. Create a shape like this. Change the color. Add text tool. Type pass. Change the color what you want. Okay, like this. Change the color. Adjust it. Select pen tool. Create line like this. Enable stroke. Unavailable fill. Create one more like this. Adjust it like this. Select this. Press S, scale down it. Anchor point is in the center. Adjust it over here. Parent with this shape layer. Okay. Like this. Select this text. Go to property, animate, position, add, property, opacity. Position is over here. Opacity is 0. And expression. Okay. Go to amount, connected to words, and paste this expression. Like in command, I pin in command pin. Repeat the same process with this text. Okay, we have this nice animation. Yeah, adjust the timing like this. Parent this with this shape layer. Parent this with this shape layer. Select these, press S, create keyframe. Go to beginning, scale down it. Select these keyframes, press F9. Go to graph editor. Graph to look like this. Okay. Right. Add this music icon. Scale down it. Enable effects and presets. Type color key. Double click on this. Type search field. Double click on this. The field is white. Select this eyedropper. Select this color and increase the color tolerance. Press S. Scale down it and adjust it over here. Yeah. Parent with this shape layer. Select this shape layer. Create SaaS keyframe. Unlink it. Go ahead. Adjust the size like this. Select this keyframe and bounce it. Like this. This is great. Go here. Press P. Create keyframe. Go ahead. This position is over here. Bounce it. Okay, like this. Select this. Press P. Shift S. Create keyframe. Go ahead. This position is over here and scale up it. Adjust it over here. Select these keyframes and bounce it. Select this shape layer. Press P. Create keyframe. Go ahead. This position is over here. Select this text. Press P. Press P. Create keyframe. Put this beginning and the position is over here. Select this. Press P. Create keyframe. Put this over here and the position is over here. Adjust it. Select this keyframe. Bounce it. Yeah. Bounce it. Okay, press M, select key this, press Ctrl Shift C and rename it to animation. Press P, create keyframe, go ahead, this position is over here. Press Ctrl Shift D, press P, this position is over here. Press S, scale up it, press P, delete this keyframe, go ahead, and this position is over here. Center it, adjust it like this. Okay, press F9, go to graph editor. Graph to look like this. Okay, select this, press F9, go to graph editor to look like this. We have this animation. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.